Oh, hello! Didn't see you there. That was cringe. Why do people do these kind of intros? Anyway, today we got this thing. It's an eye massager. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, this is something different that I haven't really tried before. It's called a eye massager, okay? A Bluetooth eye massager. The brand is called IHELOL, spelled I-H-E-L-O-L, IHELOL. I won't bother with the unboxing because all you get is this thing here, plus a little storage pouch and a USB cable. That's it. Alright, so what does this thing do? Well, obviously it massages your eye. It's got air pressure. There are some air pockets in here that expands. Actually, let me just show you. So you have your on and off button here, and this is just for the music, previous track and the next track. Let me just turn it on. Hold it for about 2 seconds.
Welcome to use Intelligent Eye Massager Integrated Mode.
Plays a little tune. So this is what actually happens when you're wearing it. There's these little air pockets that comes in and out, and it also vibrates. Now this thing actually also heats up when you're using it. You know what I mean? If you've ever been to those massage places, the legit one guys, the legit ones, right? They put a towel over your eyes. You get the soothing feeling around the eyes, and this does that as well. Now there are many different features on this. I mentioned earlier the air pressure. There's also vibration, and it's got an artificial hand simulation, as if doing this to your eyes. Now it's not as good as the real thing, obviously, but I feel it's not too bad. I've been using this for about a week, about 15 to 30 minutes at night. Just give the eyes a bit of a rest, because you're working in front of computers more than 8 hours a day, and then when you come home, well, for me it's always home these days, given I'm working from home, you're looking at your phone, you're watching TV, and looking at your iPad, whatever. You're constantly using your eye, focusing on some sort of screen. Now nothing can beat sleeping, right? If your eyes are tired, fatigued, just go to sleep. But this thing, for a quick 15-30 minutes, and I can actually feel the difference. Now there are some cheesy soundtrack to this, but it does have some nature, bird chirping, waterfall, that sort of stuff, which helps you relax. It really does help you relax. There's about 6 tracks in total. Now you can actually cycle through the different modes here, but I tend to just go to the default, everything on. You have your vibration, you have your air pressure, a heat. I just have everything on typically, but you can choose just to have the heat on, or having it just vibrate, whatever you like. Now in terms of battery life, when I got this, the battery was already full, but I charged it anyway. And I've been using it for about a week, every single day, 15 to 30 minutes. According to the indicator, it's still maximum bars. It's still got full bars. So I think this will last a pretty long time before you need to charge it. What else can I say about this? Oh yeah, the strap here. So, it's adjustable to fit your head size. So if you got a big head like me, you can stick it all the way out. And to store it, you just fold it up like this and put it back in the pouch. Now this thing's not perfect, but for $50, I think it's pretty good. Alright, so that's it for today. If you're interested in this product, check the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And as always, keep safe. I'll see you in the next one. Back to this. Oh yeah.